Myntri Tnat Jngoh kai pertei ba polling do nin kisngi ula Kyntait ya Kynnoh Halor ke Jingshah accident kali. Kebelajar dangshen bat ula ong ba kani kalong ka bum don nongrim. Bat kete ke Jingshah kam don jingde AA. La Kynnoh baka kali pulit ke basindran ya uti Myntri ke belami bandai sya kata masa cherry blossom. Kelatenra ya kewe kali arsyaka hakaba unongnya jong ketika tuk-tuk hadapil rembui ula klat no bat we ula mensau. Uba polling do ula ong ba ke jingiat kali ke bagentup ya ke kali jong Myntri rang ba ke jelabak bat kat tu kat ni ki wei pat ki kali. Kila sakut namar ke jingbun ki beriu ki beya jasurok.
The convoy led by the CM's convoy was followed first by the car where the CM and his wife had occupied, followed by my car, and there were a few other cars in between, after which the CM's convoy and my car, my security convoy's car, was at the back. And we had to stop 5 to 6 times for several minutes because the traffic had come to a complete halt. There was no space for moving forward. Where is the possibility of a hit and run accident in such a situation? I was given to understand that the bike used by this person who succumbed to his injury had come from the wrong side, hit the rear end of my vehicle, and then crossed to the other side and was then hit by another car.